It is unboxing time. Funko's DC Comics Legion of Collectors. The sad news is this is the last box that will be mailed to you. So Legion of Collector, the mail order service is ending. Funko will be partnering with an exclusive retailer. Same thing with the Marvel Collector Course. So we will no longer get these mailed to us unless whatever retailer they partner with, you can order it through them. So it's very sad. But this final box is Green Lantern theme. So we're gonna check out what's inside. Feels pretty heavy, pretty solid, pretty sturdy. So hopefully there's some good stuff here. But before we open, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Okay, let's see. There is a t-shirt. Oh, I kind of caught a glimpse. What's inside? All right, we have a Green Lantern shirt, and this is in your traditional DC comic style, so it is not Funko Pop style. So there you go, just a regular Green Lantern Corps shirt. So we got Hal, Guy, and John, and everyone else in the background. All right, t-shirts. Okay, here we have some Dorbs, because they are adorbsable. So we have Hal and Sinestro. I'm gonna open these up. So here we go. Hal Jordan. Little articulation here. So cute. And Sinestro. I like that. I don't know if you can see that. You can see they have their little rings. Where's his ring? There. Okay, over here. Interesting. So if you are stressing out over how you're gonna get your exclusive DC Comics Funko merchandise, we got a little Green Lantern stress. What do you call these? Stress squeezers? So, there you go. All right. And I think, is there a patch or pin? Because I see no patch or pin, but we have a 3-pack. Okay, so you can see it inside the box. This 3-pack is not to scale because we have Kilowog, we have Guy Gardner. I'm trying to think, has there been a Guy Gardner Funko Pop? And Chip. He should be smaller. So let's check these out. Alright, Kilowog I think should be a little bigger, but you know, beggars and choosers, all that stuff. So here we go. He is the big training guy on Oa. Calls everyone a poozer. Yeah. Guy Gardner is known for his awesome haircut and for basically being a big jerk. And Chip, he looks like a squirrel, but he's not a squirrel because he's from another planet. There you go. All right, so that is it. That is our final Funko Legion of Collectors through the mail in this current, whatever you want to call it, current incarnation. So we got the t-shirt, we got the 2 Dorbs, we got the stress squeezer thing. Is that your name? No? Stress squeezer. And then a 3-pack with Kilowog, Guy Gardner, and Chip. So pretty cool. That was $25. Hopefully when these change, when it changes to on whatever the retailer thing, it'll still be 25 bucks for the same, you know, amount of stuff. So there you go. Green Lantern, Funko Legion Collector. Thanks, Funko. This has been awesome. I've enjoyed, I think I've enjoyed every box. I mean, you know, obviously there's some things that have been a little cooler than others, but these have all been great. But no, there are no more. So thank you for watching. So you can click that, subscribe if you're not already. Watch these other videos. Thanks. Do something else later.